The right way to meditate. For those of you who feel like a beginner, follow these instructions carefully. For those of you who want to release stress while getting a healthy body, meditation may be the solution. In Buddhist tradition, meditation is like exercise. It can actually be difficult for a beginner to sit 4 hours and think nothing of it or allow yourself to be in an empty mind state. But in general, the easiest way to try meditation is to be fully concentrated. Meditation is a meditation practice that connects the mind and body. Well, to explore the power of the mind requires high concentration, full awareness, mindfulness, and the right technique. Through meditation, it not only creates a good physical condition, but can relieve stress, increase calm and clarity of mind, and feel happy. There are many types of meditation when viewed from the way function to the meaning. But in general, meditation relies on the power of the mind and energy in the body that is able to heal spiritual and physical disorders. Mindfulness meditation trains you to become aware of your own thoughts and emotions in the present moment. The goal of mindfulness meditation is to be mindful of everything in life. We are awakened, truly present, and open-minded in doing everything, says a meditation teacher in Washington, D.C. Tara Brach reports The New York Times. In addition, based on the results of Harvard University research, mindfulness meditation is as effective as treating depression and stress. In addition, based on the results of Harvard University research, mindfulness meditation is as effective as treating depression and stress. For those of you who want to get acquainted with the world of meditation, here are the basic techniques that can be tried for beginners before moving on to the specific techniques reported by The Guardian. 1. Take a special time to dive into yourself. Since concentration is the first and most important thing in meditation, take a special time to dive into yourself. Get rid of any thoughts, memories, or worries that might be distracting you. To overcome that, make sure to meditate at the right time in order to achieve total concentration. Launching Cosmopolitan. Mood aka mood also determines the success of meditation. To build a good mood, set the position and atmosphere in a comfortable place so that positive energy flows optimally. 2. Pay attention to body posture. Although not prioritizing physical activity, meditation requires the body's ability to drain energy. The right body position for basic meditation is sitting up straight, hands on knees, neck not stiff, and chin slightly lowered. Some types of meditation rely on physical strength, like Vipassana meditation, which believes the energy to balance the mind comes from the base of the spine. To maximize energy release, a good sitting position is required. With your eyes closed, try to establish focus in a comfortable body position. 3. Regulate breathing rhythm. Breathing is the key to creating calm and concentration. The basic way of breathing in meditation is to inhale through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. In Kundalini meditation, breath control is called pranayama. Not only does it build concentration, pranayama affects mood and releases energy. In addition to the sense of calm that results from regulating your breathing, breathing in a second pattern improves your concentration. For that, make sure your inhalation and exhalation are always in a consistent second. To create a regular rhythm, you need to feel the sensation of breathing in your chest, stomach, or shoulders. Breathe while counting to establish a regular breathing pattern. It's normal to feel a little bloated. If your mind starts to get distracted, return to focusing on the breath. That way, breathing control becomes the key to your concentration. 4. Let the senses work. Meditation relies on the power of the mind, senses, and body to communicate with oneself. For that, physical focus must be in harmony with the mind, namely by relying on the senses. In meditation, The senses also work to feel the sensations in the body or the surrounding environment. He illustrated, the senses control the whole body in meditation. 5. Basic body scan technique. In the basic technique of meditation, scanning the body does not mean paying attention to one part of the body, but looking for something or something that you are not comfortable with. If so, give your full attention to the feeling, then return to the focal point of the thought. All disturbances in the body are not to be judged, but to be given full attention. 6. Know the reason for meditating. Just as honestly when communicating with yourself, you need to acknowledge the reasons and expectations that led you to meditation, then let go. With the best, he used to let go of all expectations. Get used to being positive towards others. 7. Free your mind. At this stage, let the mind loose and wander. Enjoy your focus calmly and worry-free for 20 to 30 seconds. 8. Completion stage. Before opening your eyes, make peace with all your senses. It's like saying goodbye to sensations and surroundings. Scan your senses one by one. If you are satisfied to feel the sensation of hearing or the sense of touch, you can open your eyes. Default text. Launching the New York Times. How to eat mindful eating can even form calming activities. Pay attention to everything related to eating patterns, such as hunger and fullness, what you want to eat, to the sensation in your mouth when your tongue tastes a taste. Believing in the role of the tongue as part of the senses by eating slowly can get you used to concentrating and being attentive like you are meditating. Interested in trying?